Alright, so I'm fresh out the shower, about to put some clothes on. My girlfriend is on the way to pick me up. She says she's taking me out for hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I just want to thank you guys for that. I don't know where we're going, but I know one thing's for sure. I'm going to try to do something that is the equivalent of 1,000 or some way, some shape, somehow, some form. I'm going to try to do something that is the equivalent of 1,000 by the end of tonight. I don't have $1,000 on me, so I definitely can't blow that amount of money. So it's going to have to be something different. But I'm running late. She says she's coming at 7:45 and it's probably about 7:30 by now. I did not check the time, but I was supposed to start getting ready earlier. But my aunt was like, you need to press your clothes, you need to press your clothes. Really and truly, when I'm in America, I really don't care whether my clothes is that crushed or not, because Americans, they mind their own business. See, I'm blind, hear and deaf. When you're in Jamaica, you go outside in crushed clothes, people going to be looking at you. Them are pre you. So when I'm here, I really don't care unless I'm going somewhere that I know I need to be like well dressed or something of the sort. Then I'll put myself together. But if I'm just going on the road, whatever, nobody not paying no mind. But anyway, I'm running late. I'm about to throw on my clothes. So when I throw on my clothes, I'll talk back to you guys, alright? Out. Alright, so my clothes is on and I'm waiting on her. She hasn't called me as yet. It is actually 7:45 right now. So she's running behind time. But I still need to add the finishing touches to my outfit. Like, of course, putting on some cologne. This here is sponsored by the lovely people over at Sophie Sam. I was able to come through Jamaica Customs. Yes, go through Jamaica Customs security with this. It is a 10 ml travel atomizer. I'm rocking Carolina Herrera 212 VIP, and it smells absolutely delicious for the nighttime. You can check them out at Sophie Sam underscore on Instagram, or Shop 40 Angels Plaza in St. Catherine. Alright? But enough of the chattings. I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. So people, tell me how the one time I'm early, this child over here late. Well, you can't see her because she's not on the screen, but she's getting ready.
That's stuff to do. How about vacation? Don't remind me of that.
Yeah, so I'll check back in whenever she gets here. The nerve. You're 1,000 minutes late. Hurry up and get here.
You gonna wait for me 2 days? My wedding end today.
Oh boy. Alright, see you soon. Alright, so being that we're waiting on her, I just want to say again, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It is really surreal. I had set out a 1-year goal to get to 1,000 subscribers, and to achieve that in a little over 4 months is very unbelievable for me. As a matter of fact, truth be told, I would say 80 to 85, maybe even 90% of my growth occurred during the past 2.5 months per se. So that level of growth in that short space of time, I must at least be doing something right. And I'll continue to put out these real estate videos for you guys. I'll continue to read my comment section and respond to each and every comment, and also follow up on your suggestions in the comment section, and just road to 1,500. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you again. I'm very appreciative, and I hope whatsoever I'm going to be doing tonight will at least put a smile on your face and just make you guys enjoy the moment with me, because this is a very special moment for me. And I also hope that you guys enjoy the vlog style content that I'm going to be coming out with, based on the fact that I am not in Jamaica right now and I can't do any house tours. I was just talking to my aunt though about touring her house, because she, in terms of interior design, she loves that type of stuff. She's not a professional interior designer or by profession, but trust me, she know how to put a house together. So I might just tour her apartment for you guys. So you can let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to tour my aunt's apartment, so you guys can see it when I post this video, and then I'll think about doing it after that, depending on how much person say, yeah, we'd like to see it. All right, but enough of the chattings again. My girlfriend is probably outside right now. I'm about to head out, and then we're going to talk to her about what we'll be doing tonight. All right, she was telling me to change my clothes, put on something more comfy and yada yada yada, outside hot, but I get very cold easily, even though my body temperature is always super high. Like, my body temperature is typically very high, but for some reason I get cold very easily. So any doctors in the house or whatever, you guys can tell me what's the cause of that, or what's the probable cause of that. But I've been rambling on, so I'll just check back in with you guys when I'm outside. Boom. So she finally picked me up after having me wait all evening like it was our wedding day or something. But where are we going?
Out.
Out where?
Out.
I guess you guys gonna have to see when we get there. So
We're going to Cold Stone in the movies.
alright, so we're heading to the movies and we're going to Cold Stone. If you guys don't know what Cold Stone, it's an ice cream place, right? Alright, so it's an ice cream place. Cold Stone is an ice cream place, and the movies is the movies. Which movie we watch?
Don't Breathe Too.
Yeah, Don't Breathe 2 is a movie that we're watching. I actually told her I wanted to watch that movie maybe about a month back, probably, or like 3 weeks back. I watched the first one in Virginia Beach with my virgin them from Jamaica, but they live here now. Rallo, big up yourself. Dre, big up yourself. I remember my virgin Dre, he jumped in his wife's lap in the movie theater when we were watching the first one. At one point, that's one thing I will never forget. He denies it to this day, but his brother was there and I was there and we saw it, so you can't deny it. We see her jumping in your wife's lap, sir. And Sheena can vouch for it too, because of fear I love you jumping. Big up yourself to Sheena. Halle, big up yourself. We'll be seeing you and Rallo soon. Sometime maybe about a week from now. You can look out for that vlog as well. We're going to Connecticut to hang out with my best friend from Jamaica, one of my best friends from Jamaica. I got a bunch of best friends, but yeah. My girlfriend, I said she don't get put on camera. She doesn't like the spotlight. She likes to be in the cut, but hidden in the cut. You don't know me already. Me are the more outgoing type, chatty, all of that jazz. The more friendly one. I mean, she's friendly, but she just, she doesn't like the spotlight, which is understandable, not everybody loves the spotlight. But anyway, I've been talking up a bunch about to stop bust your ears, and I guess when we get to, I don't know which one we're going first, whether it be Coastal. Well, I'm assuming the movies, because we're going to Coastal first. Already. Well, I guess we're catching a late movie then. But yeah, I'll hit you guys back when we get to Cold Stone. Out! So, she's trying to find free parking so we don't have to pay, because she left her coins. So, we don't have the money for the coin machine, so she's gonna try to find free parking over there, so she gets some free parking. So apparently the movie starts at 8:30. What time is it? Let's try to get some light. What time is it? 8:32. So we're late. I dead saw a jacket like that in Marshalls today, and I said I was gonna I said I was gonna cop, but
You're kind of late. You drip a little pep in your
and
step.
it was G-Star too. I was like, yeah, G-Star jacket for 20 bucks. I need to cop that. You know the Bobby Shmurda song, well, it's popular, his most popular song. And then he said something about Grammy shooters dressed in G-Star. Yeah. Oh wait, oh, it's this big thing right here? Oh. So we're going to the Regal Cinema number 13. So is it that they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No clue. So she's wearing no clothes and me fully dressed up. And now what she up to, you know? But typical. She said she'll try to get her sugar daddy. Wow. The nerve of some people. A typical New York girl dressing still. No clothes.
That was not there 2 weeks ago.
All right, Romed.
Stay outside.
She see a bar and get excited.